Hello guys, this is Usama Aslam and welcome to the another episode of Technocrats with the helpful technologies and technical videos. So today I'll show you the best 5 photo editors for video thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, logo designing and so on. So first of all, I'll show you the not top 5 today I'll show you top 3 to 4 that's suitable for you. So the third one is the Gimp. So Gimp definition. So wait a second. So actually it was not a Gimp, it was a Gimp. Gimp software that is used to make tutorials, photo editing, make logos and etc. It's also available in 82 plus languages and the programming languages used in this creation of the software is C language. Most of the language is C++ used in the software creation, but this is used on C language. So GIMP is a free and open source raster graphic editor used to for image manipulation and image editing, free for drawing, transcoding between different image files, formats, and more specialized tasks. It's not designed to be used for drawing through some artists. It's not look like Adobe Photoshop. It's for just a simple logo designing. It's a GIMP, the third best one software for the photo editing. Photo editing means image editing, not human pictures editing. As it says that it can be used as simple paint program and expert quality photo retouching program and online batch processing system, a mass producing image renderer and image format converter etc. GIMP is expandable and extensible. It's designed to be augmented with plugins and extensions to do just about anything. Is GIMP as good as Photoshop? No. While GIMP is a good enough for some level of professional work, it can compete with Photoshop on print, color spaces, and high-level retouching. Actually, it's not to look like a Photoshop. Photoshop is another task. Photoshop is for another task, and GIMP is for another task. So this comparison is not suitable for the this GIMP is best for free Photoshop. The GNU image manipulation, as I said that it's not for Photoshop, it's for logo designing and thumbnails creation. This is the introduction, simple introduction. You can read here the free and open source image editor. This is the official website for GNU image manipulation program. Yeah. GIMP stands for GNU image manipulation program. Gimp is a cross-platform image editor available for GNU, Linux, Mac, Windows, and more operating systems. It's free software. You can change its source code and distribute your changes. Okay. Whether you are a graphic designer, photographer, illustrator, or scientist, GIMP provide you with sophisticated tools to get your job done. You can further enhance your productivity with GIMP thanks to many customizations, options, and third-party plugins. Okay, this was the so this was the introduction a little bit and its system programming. You can read this from here, pause the video and read this. Yeah, you can pause this video here too if you want to read this. Yeah, that's it. So this was the third best one. Now I will show you the second best one. So this is the second best one, create professional Visme. Visme is also now best actual and free software to make your editings. Vismes are free and there is no limit on how long you use it. About 80% of all the functionalities is free. Few core features are available only to our premium users. It's mean 80% of the software is free and the most likely only 20% features that you want to use are paid. because these are key features that have more functionalities than free features. What is Visme used for? Yeah, this is the functionality what I want to say, that Visme is an online tool for creating, editing, sharing, and storing visual materials. You can use it as presentation app to make it slide desks, but you can use create templates for infographics, charts, logos, storyboards, graphics, and social media posts, and the websites and the web letterhead and the other items. Yeah, this is, as I said, that used for infographics, charts, logos, storyboards, graphics, and templates, thumbnails, etc. So how does Visma cost? It's just $25 per month if you want to use its free plan. So this is the introduction, small introduction, little introduction. Yours all in one platform for creating the presentation, documentation, data visualizations, videos, and other branded content. So what will you create with Visme? The power of Visme communication is in your hands. Start your first product in minutes, even with no prior design experience. So you can read this if you want to. You can pause the video here and you can read this. So this was the second best one feature of photo editing, image editing for logos and thumbnails etc. So this is the best one I can tell you is Canva graphic designing company. It's an Australian graphic design platform that's used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, document, other visual contents like thumbnail, logos, etc. is which is better. Yeah, as I discussed, Gimp, which is better, Canva or Gimp. If you either beginner or don't have much experience in graphic designing, then Canva is the better option for you. Of course, Canva is it gives you a lot of functionalities. However, it's if you are more experienced and want more control over your design, then Gimp is better choice. But Canva is best. It gives better functionalities. It gives you more experience as everyone else. What is disadvantages of Canva? Koichi? No, it's not. We will not here to discuss the disadvantages because it's not it's against the rules to discuss others' bad habits or like yeah. Canva is a free graphic designing platform that's great for making invitations, business cards, Instagram posts, and more like YouTube thumbnails, your groups, your Facebook groups logos, WhatsApp group logos, and whatever you want to do is available in Canva. A drag and drop interface makes customizing thousands of templates simple and easy. So here is yeah, it's a Canva here. You can sign up here. So if you want it to use its pro functionalities, you have to buy this. As I said that I use Canva, so that's why I bought this. It's pro version. You can use these simple logos and images, whatever you want to use. A simple and amazing templates where you can where you can edit as you want to do. As they are showing, this is the simple as you can type here, you can put any graph here, as simple as they want to do is showing here. You can use its you can see its tutorials on YouTube as well, and these all look like the presentations templates. There are the browse all the templates. As they said, you can see all the templates. This is a Canva, the best and the first one. So here is Usama showing you the best key features of all the others image editors. So today is the best one for the today's. So here is Usama with the technique technocrat videos and technology videos and signing off. Today I am signing off. Goodbye.